Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing practical electricity question 11, paper 2 5054. Let's start. Question 11. An electrical generator supplies power to a distant factory. The power receives 500 kilowatts of electrical power at a voltage of 33 kilovolts. Calculate the current in the wire supplying the power. So कौन सा फॉर्मूला होता है जो पावर को करंट को और वोल्टेज को तीनों को एक ही फॉर्मूला में लेके आता है, राइट? दैट इज द फॉर्मूला P is equals to VI. This is probably the most used power formula and the easiest one as well. So पावर हमारे पास कितनी है? 500 किलोवाट्स. ठीक है ना? तो 500 किलोवाट्स मतलब 500,000. तो ये 1 2 3, ठीक है ना, इज इक्वल्स टू VI. V हमारे पास कितना आ गया? 33,000 आ गया into I. I हमने भी निकालना है current, which is the current. So 500,000 divided by 3300, 33,000 I mean. So that would be 15. 15 ही लिख लेते हैं, इसको round off करने की जरूरत है. तो 15 amperes is the current. So yeah, let's check. So it is 15.15. So yeah, let's do the part 2. The electrical energy supplied to the factory in 1 hour. So they are talking about energy, electrical energy. They're talking about time. We have the voltage. We have the energy. We have the power. ठीक है ना? So we can easily apply the formula. P is equals to. अब हमने लगाना है formula P is equals to energy divided by time. And what is power also equals to? Power is also equals to VI, राइट? अगर हम VI और E डिवाइड बाई T को इक्वल रखते हैं, EI is equals to, sorry, VI is equals to E divided by T, तो VIT will equals to be energy. Energy will be equals to VIT, ठीक है ना? वोल्टेज, करंट एंड टाइम. हमारे पास वोल्टेज है, हमारे पास करंट है, हमारे पास टाइम है, सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट व्हाट द एनर्जी विल बी. तो हमारे पास वोल्टेज कितनी है? 33,000 इंटू हमारे पास करंट क्या है? 15 इंटू हमारे पास टाइम कितना है? 3600. सो दिस शुड बी 1.8 billion. Let's check. And the answer is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power of 9. So that is the right answer. So if you put in the values, that would be 1.8 into 10 raised to the power of 9. So that is going to be the answer. आगे चलते हैं. The 33 kilovolt voltage supplied to the factory is very high. Yeah, of course, 33,000 volts is very high. अभी तक जो हमने पढ़ा होगा, that is probably our max gonna be like 240 volts या 13, 14, 15 volts हो गया. इतना ज्यादा हमने कभी नहीं पढ़ा. So they are asking, transmitting electrical energy at high voltage reduces energy losses in the transmission lines. Explain why. Acha, this is why according to the P is equals to VI formula, the higher the voltage, the lower the current will be. ठीक है ना? In order to balance out, अगर voltage increase होगा तो current will have to go down. And transmitting electrical energy at higher voltage जो होती है ना, वो ना energy losses को reduce कर देती है in transmission lines. क्योंकि हायर वोल्टेज जो होती है that allows lower current, और जब लोअर करंट होता है that means less energy is wasted as heat due to the resistance in the wire. This helps the electricity travel more efficiently over a long distance. हाँ, अगर कोई काफी दूर हो, मतलब ज्यादा distance हो between 2 points, that would be more efficient. Or this would minimize any energy losses and ensuring more power reaches its destination. So that is gonna be the answer. आप इसको अपने वर्ड्स में लिख लेना. एंड ऑफिशियली तो उन्होंने हमें यही दिया हुआ है, दो छोटे से पॉइंट्स के आंसर. So that is gonna be the answer, and that is gonna be the video. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.